We are from Italy, and we are a group called Aurovas, and we are a group specialized in robotics, in medical physics, in computer science, and in cardiovascular surgery.
Our application mainly consists in mounting the ultrasound probe on the robot and effector, and then using the sensing capability of the robot, we can move the probe on the patient tissue, while our computer vision algorithm searches for particular features, anatomical features, and then extract relevant vascular indicators. We applied for the Innovation Award because we already implemented our system, a prototypal version of our system. And then, as a finalist of the KUKA Innovation Award, we have the opportunity to use a more reliable technology, and so we can improve the performance and extend the capabilities of our system.
Thanks to KUKA LBR Med, we can solve two mainly problems. The first one is to solve the workload of specialized physicians, and the second one is that we can speed up the time to market of our products thanks to the certification that is already present in LBR Med.